In today's video, I will guide you on how you can clear cache in Spotify mobile app. So let's get started. So now I'm gonna explain this both in iOS and Android, so just follow along. So now here in iOS, you would want to go into your settings, same as your Android. From here, you want to go into General, and then from here, tap on iPhone storage. If you're in Android, you just simply need to go to the apps list on your settings. And then once you're here, you just simply want to find the Spotify app right here on the list of apps in here. Same goes with Android. So I'm going to tap here and show all. And then I should see Spotify somewhere in here. So here it is, Spotify. I'm going to tap on it. And from here, I have the option to offload the app. So in this case, I will now offload the app. And then as you can see, I would now need to reinstall the app. In this way, I would now have a fresh slate on Spotify here on iPhone. So basically, this is like uninstalling then reinstalling the app right here in iPhone. So you would have to log back in if necessary. So make sure to remember your login credentials. If you're in Android, then it will be much easier because once you're here into the app settings of Spotify, then you would have the clear cache option. So you just need to tap on it and then that's it. You have now cleared the cache. And that's how you can clear the cache in Spotify mobile app. So subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.